Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete clothes from your basket. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Bershka app. On the bottom in the menu bar you can see I have 3 items in my basket. Tap on your basket and let's say I would not like to order this red coat, and you can delete by tapping on this trash can on the corner. If you can see here next to that pencil icon, just tap on the trash can and you deleted your items from your basket. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.